Welcome to All Things YouTube.
Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. Why do I have this channel? I seek to help YouTubers make videos people actually watch. More accurately, make searchable videos people actually watch. Why should they do that? So they can grow an audience. An audience is the most important factor of being in business. And you can be in business to sell something, or you can inspire, educate, or entertain. Whatever you're doing on YouTube, an audience is needed as part of your success. This should really be called All Things Grow an Audience channel, but that just doesn't have a nice ring to it. You're on YouTube to grow an audience to meet your business needs. You have a business. Oh, it might not be an LLC, it might not be incorporated, might not be sole proprietorship, but you should run your YouTube channel like a business. And the goal is to grow an audience. I can't just say, go grow an audience. What are the steps to grow an audience? You've got to make videos that are searchable. What do I mean by searchable? They have to show up in search results. Most people interface by searching YouTube. That's how they experience YouTube. You got to have something that can be found. And then they've got to watch it. Watching it is important. And this word, people. People is the important word. YouTube is made up of people. You get into the analytics screen and you look at all of the buttons and the reports and all of the strategies. Sometimes you forget you're making stuff for people. That's what I can show you. But the reason this video exists is to answer why. Why do I want to help people? What do I care about other people? Well, I'll tell you. I love creative people. I'm a creative person myself. I went to design college. I love creative people, and people who make video they're creators. They're creative people. I love it. But also there's a flip side to that. And this is going to be some real talk. It's how much I despise traditional media. Now, that's not to say I despise people who work in traditional media. No. I love my radio, television, movie people that work there. It's the industry. And the problem I have with those industries is there is a barrier between you and the audience. They say, if you can be on TV and be in front of people. The radio station says if you can be on the air and have an audience on the radio. That doesn't fly anymore. Look at the times we're living in. If you have consumer level gear and you have something to say, you can reach a worldwide audience. I'm really angry about that. I mean, I know I'm not coming off as super angry, but I have a real problem with someone telling me I can't have an audience, or that I have to prove to them that I can have an audience on their platform or on their television station or on their radio. That doesn't fly. It shouldn't fly with you. Permission is not needed. That's what drives me. I'm like, I will do whatever I want, and I will be able to get in front of people, and you can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do, and you can't tell. No one can tell me that I can't do this. And that is an exciting and promising thing that I just love. And frankly, there are people who have gone all in. They've rented space. They have a team. They're cranking out content. They're doing it without anyone's permission, and they are making money doing it. Or they're reaching their business goals. They're either inspiring or educating or selling or entertaining people. You can do that without anyone's permission, and creative people are behind it. And that's what I love. I love helping creative people be successful on YouTube. And to be successful, you can't be successful without people. You just can't. People are on YouTube to the tune of 2 billion, with a B, billion. Why is this channel about helping YouTubers? It exists because I love creative people and I want to see those other industries do poorly as independent content creators do very, very well. I know a lot. I have a lot to share. I've helped a lot of people and I know I can help you. That's why I do what I do. Thanks, Internet.